Okay, so it is almost 8 o'clock in the morning. This weekend was supposed to be my drill weekend, but well, that got pushed back. Well, I don't know about pushed back, because I don't know if there's going to be one in May, but, due to the whole coronavirus outbreak. So, what we're having to do is do this virtual, video call, basically. So, I don't know how this is going to work. So, yeah, we shall see. I will be recording this, however. I will be recording this. I was told to dress up nice. Dress professional. I guess that's not our uniform. Yeah, I figure I slipped this on. Yeah. Whatever. Anyway, I gotta log in. Keep in mind, I might cut out some parts. So, yeah. So, we're going on a website called, GoToMeeting. Yeah, I guess it's one form of video. It's like a video conference call.
Just a follow-up reminder. If you haven't done so, please go to the top where it says name. Put your name, rank, and unit in there, please.
I think I'm gonna do is go onto my laptop and maybe it'll run a lot smoother.
ATC, which is activating event, thoughts, and consequences. Then will be followed by sharp. Then we will have hazing and bullying. And we'll take a, time dependent, we will break for lunch from 12 to 1300. After that, we'll move back into the training. So, like I said, just be patient with me. This is our first go at this. So we want to try to do the best we can and make the most of it. Okay? Okay, ATC is one of our MRT skills. I'm just a little bit about MRT is master resiliency. For anybody that's E6 and above, this is a course that I highly recommend that anyone take. I took it a little over a year ago, and it's by far one of the best courses I've had in my military career. You learn a lot, but
he's yapping away still.
Information, so from there,
Check my stocks.
ACT, okay, like I said, that's short for activating event, thoughts, and consequences. And right now, with the COVID-19,
Look at this. So I signed up for the website, the stock website.
Productive or counterproductive?
Well, Robinhood. Well, it's both a website and an app. But I signed up for that, and they give you a free share. So I thought that was pretty cool, and that didn't happen with Ameritrade. So yeah, screw them. I thought I would get a free stock from maybe Facebook or Amazon, Boeing. That would be cool. No, you know what I got? you know, after you signed up for it, it gives you like 3 scratch off tickets. You pick one, scratch it off, and the one I ended up with, it's freaking Halliburton. Halliburton. I don't know what that is. I don't know what company that is. It looks like they're tumbling all over the place. Let's see. 7. It went down 6 cents. It was at 8.05.
By all means, if you've got,
Oh wait.
any questions, comments or anything, please don't hesitate to
Oh wait a second. Hold on. I'm still pretty new at this.
to answer them as best as I can. Okay, and this next slide is just, ATC helps build self-awareness. It helps you identify your heat of the moment thoughts about an activating event and consequences of those thoughts, so you can have greater control over your emotions and reactions.
If not, those of you that are on could probably view it.
Here in America, we don't have
I can't hear anything. I don't know if it's playing.
Can you hear it?
Mm-mm. We could just go to the next slide. They have this in there. Everybody that received Sergeant Sailor's email from Mr. Rodriguez or from your first time leader should have these videos as well. So if you can.
This is different slides. First one was what was it? What was the first one? I think something about resilience training or something like that. Next one was sexual harassment, sharp, and now this one is about anti-terrorism. So yeah. I mean, it's important information to know, but still, it's still the death by PowerPoint. Yeah.
All throughout it. So we have active shooter incidents that can occur at any location at any time. Like I said, a few are the ones you see right here on the slide, and then again, just a few months ago, we had an active shooter in Pensacola, and I know we've had more throughout the year. Next slide. Oh yeah, you're good. Responses to an active shooter. You can go back to the one right before that, Sergeant Sailor. I'm sorry. So you want to evacuate if possible. If not, you want to shelter in place. And if you have the chance to take action against the active shooter without getting yourself and other individuals harmed, then do so.
God, it's still going on.
network and you're trying to exfiltrate it. So you found a bunch of PI and you're trying to get it out of a secure network. What were some of the avenues of approach that you can take to do that?
Don't be stupid.
Flash drive, fantastic. Yep, you can upload your flash drive. Or inadvertently do it if you find the flash drive out in the parking lot and it says Spring Break Pictures 2019 and you want to see what's on there. You plug it in there and then now have monitor all the communication going to and from your machine. Next question. I agree they should, but do they? Yes, they do. Fantastic.
Well, we're done for the day, and I have to say, this was pretty interesting. Interesting indeed. I mean, you could just nap off for maybe a couple of minutes, and then wake up, and nobody would see you, as long as the camera is not on. You could pretty much do anything else, really, from the comfort of your own home. But yeah, there's still one more day of doing this, sitting through this. So yeah, looking forward to tomorrow.